want to do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, you don't see the headline, you don't see the title, so you know where the attacking boss are forward with. Attack. So, Leon Bailey, star baller, top footballer, you don't know, Jamaica star that you know my people. You are going, man. It's a lot of bash the virgin I get. You know what I mean? Lot of disrespect the virgin I get. Even man, woman, baby mommy, be a bash and disrespect them I get. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. All because of a video my people were gone viral, were leaked with the boss. I beat up a skid my people. And I get coupled on them something there. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, as me tell us the woman I get, the man baby mother I get whole heap of bash because video leak couple days ago and then couple days after a vacation I see the boss depend with him woman, him baby mama people and him youth them a chill and a relax. So a lot of people I say, yo, after all these things leak, you know what I mean? Oh, she's so strong or her stomach so strong for going out there with him and this and that and one heap or something. A lot of people are cuss her and I say, yo, because of the money, she not left him because they don't know, so she want money and him rich. And that's why a rich man can't hold woman and angle them and deal with them all the time. You know, people have a worse to say about this lady. And the worse to say about Leon Bailey, say him a dirty man, him a junk, him a this, him a that and that and that. And you know another saddest thing? Nobody knows nothing, they go a chat. Chat like a parrot. Chat like a parrot. See? Number one, no, a video leak now, but no can prove and say when this thing happened. That's another thing. It do happen. You see Leon Bailey in a position where he beat a skin and a woman a give him some, you understand, for sure, and him leg out and whatever. You see, it do happen, my people. But you all talking about this woman and this man. You don't know when this thing occurred. Truth of the matter is, my people, this thing where happened leak, it never happened today. It never happened last week. It never happened last year. This video happened a couple years back, my people. This video happened, you understand, before Leon Bailey even get him second youth. You see me? This is a thing where this baby mommy, she already know about this thing. So you see what come out now? We're late. You know what I mean? We late. So she already been through the process of whatever them are dealing with this. So when this thing leak now, my people, honestly, I don't like say, you know, she not gonna feel a way still, but they don't pass on over this already. Him done, you know what I mean, talk, explain, and whatever happened occurred, and them done move on from this. So you feel like say she never was gonna leave or something and Leon Bailey fight and get her back and, you know what I mean, make a change or make a difference in him life. He did, my people. He did. You understand? Because for really and truly, everybody know this. Leon Bailey, him love him baby mama people. Things do happen. Nobody is perfect in life. No man, no woman is perfect in life. Him boss, something happened. He made a mistake. Him be a man up to it. He make an apology to her. And you know what I mean? Whatever necessary things they need to deal with, whether counseling or whatever, they did it, my people. So when this thing forward out, when somebody me hacking at the man thing and leak the thing, my people, really and truly is like, you know what I mean? It don't make sense. On a late, she don't know about this thing way before. So when I say she and the man they live and end, if you say she gonna make this thing for make they can go up on them vacation and then they plan for do from months before this thing happen or this thing lead now, when she done pass on to this already, and then they go bash the girl and say she there because of money. And that me I tell you no. You see enough bring down. Una real bring down, because if latter female, I say mostly a comment, and I say money she if check life and check file, me I telling you, you understand? Phone man in a bun in the left, right and center, and for the few umbre them who me see a comment about the same thing, me I telling you, phone gal in a bun in the left, right and center, you understand? Phone gal I go clean up some rifle, me I telling that, and when you come, forward, and then push them tongue right down in the throat, and then says the next man rifle and just go clean up, Me got telling you, But when you stay there, watch and I talk about the next people. Not because Leon Bailey is a footballer, is a public figure. You see me? That no means say you have to bash people and deal with people. So come on, people. But as I say, people, this thing and this I come from credible source and credible information. I get this thing never happened recently. This thing happened, my viewers and my subscribers, before Leon Bailey's second child was even forward or produced. You understand? See, say a couple, that are not recent, my people. It happened where she do found out about it before, my people. For some reason or somehow, somebody hacking at something, somebody have something, and they do found this thing, my people. Because I want to make you tell you, see, there's a thing you call him Snapchat. A lot of people love use the Snapchat to take pictures and make videos, my people. But let me tell you the truth, it's not an easy thing, The same snap something there is not an easy thing. But one thing me have to say to Bailey, you know what I mean? And me I got to talk the truth, people, and not just Bailey for anybody at all. You see, videoing things, especially a private, you know what I mean, when you're doing no action, you know what I mean? Me not tell nobody if you got cheat, Me not say that, but me gonna say, videoing certain things don't make sense. Even though people can set something for video you, but it just don't make sense. You see me? Me not say fun in it. For me personally, me not say fun if you do an action with that, you know what I mean, and then me want to watch it back or something. No, me not see no fun in them thing there. You know, my fun are more memories in the brain cell. You see me, as some think about it and reminisce back on it. But if you go look on a device and look on it, because nowadays you can't trust them things with them calling them smartphone, You cannot trust them. So, Mr. Bailey, that are the only thing I can say, my brother. You know what I mean? And we wish you all the best. For you and your baby mama, and your youth them, and your career, brother, going forward. I wish you all the best. And don't let this be a distraction, because you don't pass over this already. Don't let this be a distraction to both of you. You know what I mean? Just put in that strength in your family, bro, and put God in there and go forward. I know, so you have a good baby mother. She stick with you. She did it with you. A lot of people are always have things to say. You know what I mean? People see a woman with a footballer, them don't know how long you and this woman together before your career ever took off. And them go forward and chat. One heap of things. Them do it to Usain Bolt same way. And they will say anything. Oh, you did it for the money, you did that. That's all people is, bro. You cannot, no matter what you do, you cannot please people. No matter what you do. So, Leon Bailey, hold on strong, my brother. Go forward and do your thing. Don't let this be a distraction to you, because I say, you all been over this already. You all been through this already. For the public eyes out there, them just a see it. So them are going to say anything, they will say it. But you don't know the thing go. The people, big up on yourself. You understand, and thank you for the love, for the support, for the like, the share and every comments. And I hope you all, can watch the video, my people. Get an understanding and really know, you understand, and looking on yourself. And even for the one them who did that bash and I say a lot of stuff about this couple, you know what I mean? You can look back on yourself and say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. You know what I mean? Because people, as I said before, no one is perfect. Nobody is perfect. We all do make mistakes in life. You know what I mean? Some of them, it cannot be fixed. Some of them can be fixed. You know what I mean? But we all do, my people. Honestly, we all do. So, Leon Bailey, big up yourself, my brother, and going forward. And people, remember, NEWLINK back to school treat this September 2025. Support the movement, the people. Link up, DM me, support the movement. It's for your cause. I know the first we are do this, I know the second time we do this, I know the third time we are do it. So you know, say our thing is always legit. No matter how you can contribute, even if you have some book, you have some bag, you have some stuff, you want to buy NEWLINK, say NEWLINK, buy some ice cream, buy a case of soda, NEWLINK, see your money, go do that today. Support the movement. We appreciate it. You understand? Because this year we are do it, my people. September 2025, Jamaica, NEWLINK back to school treat. It's a must. We are do it. We are do it. People, be good, be great, and be safe. One team, one dream, one scheme, one God. I'm out.